listened carefully. I've noted all your points. I promise I will step into it. Look into it very carefully. For us to ensure fairness, justice, and equity. But democracy is still a game of numbers. The spirit of fairness and equity, and it stood firmly with me. They are blessed with the leadership quality that is necessary for us to correct things. We will manage the situation, but please be patient, ensure peace and unity in your areas, and ensure you extend love and solidarity with the other members from other senatorial districts.
Your Excellency, sir, the Kogi West Senatorial District presently has 3 candidates and 1 aspirant with formidable capacity to lead the state to a high and enviable situation. These candidates are already flying the flags of other various parties. Your Excellency, we are the people of Kogi West Senatorial District, and we wish to reaffirm our total loyalty and support for your administration. We have demonstrated this in our massive voting in support of your presidency in the last election. Like we have rightly said, in the last election, the Central produced 55,000, the West produced 70,000. We therefore believe that by your intervention, we will be able to reap the dividend of democracy from Kogi West.